Hello and welcome to the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2008 Case IH STX435 of 1,223 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this tractor. Under the hood, this 435 has a power shift transmission and 435 engine horsepower. In the rear, this tractor has 4 remotes and a HiFlow Pump. Let's check out the tires. This 435 has 620/R46 front and rear duals with 80% tread. And up to the luxury cab, which features a passenger seat. Thanks for watching. Like what you see? Give our sales team a call at 877-866-7010. Want to look at more tractors? Then check out our listings at TitanOutletStore.com.